This is the big one. This is the mountain we've been climbing towards, the YouTube monetization requirements. Let's be crystal clear about what they are, because there's no way around them. You need two things to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. First, you need 1,000 subscribers. This number might seem huge right now, but if you've been following the steps from the previous chapters, creating great content, engaging with your audience, and making killer thumbnails, you will see this number start to climb faster than you think. Every subscriber is a person who raised their hand and said, "I want to see more from you." The second requirement is the real boss battle. 4,000 hours of public watch time within the last 12 months. Let me repeat that, 4,000 hours. That's 240,000 minutes. This is why just getting views isn't enough. You need people to your videos. This is where your content quality and audience retention really matter. A 10-minute video that people watch for an average of 6 minutes is infinitely more valuable than a 2-minute video people watch for 1 minute. The algorithm sees that long watch time and starts recommending your video to more people, creating a snowball effect of views and watch hours. Think about it this way. To get 4,000 hours, you need 240,000 minutes of watch time. If your average video is 10 minutes long and you have an average view duration of 50% or 5 minutes, you would need about 48,000 views to hit your goal. It's just math. This is why creating longer, binge-worthy content is so important. Focus on making videos that hold attention. Look at your analytics. Which videos have the highest audience retention? Make more videos like those. Double down on what works. This isn't about luck, it's about strategy and data. You did it, you absolute legend. You hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Take a second to celebrate because you've accomplished something most people only dream of. But we're not done yet. Now it's time to actually apply for the YouTube Partner Program and get your channel reviewed. This part can be nerve-wracking, but if you've been making original advertiser-friendly content, you have nothing to worry about. The first step is to go to the Earn tab in your YouTube studio. If you've met the requirements, you'll see a big blue Apply Now button. Go ahead and click it. The application process has a few steps. First, you'll need to review and agree to the YouTube Partner Program terms. Read them, understand them, and accept. The second, and most crucial step, is setting up a Google AdSense account. This is the system Google uses to pay you. If you already have one, you can link it. If not, the process will guide you through creating a new one. Be extremely careful here. Enter all of your personal and payment information accurately. A tiny mistake here can cause major delays. Double-check everything before you submit it. Once you've linked your AdSense account, your channel will automatically be put into the review queue. This is the waiting game. A real person at YouTube will review your channel to make sure it complies with all of their policies, like the community guidelines and AdSense program policies. They're looking at your main theme, most watched videos, newest videos, and video metadata, titles, thumbnails, descriptions, to make sure everything is legit. This can take a few days or a few weeks. Don't panic. While you wait, keep making great content. And then one day you'll get that beautiful email. Congratulations, you've been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program.